Real quick before we start. If you are watching this and you are not subscribed now, you are missing out. Subscribing is absolutely free. It only takes you 1 second. Premium content is coming soon, exclusively for all subscribers. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications.
The body is strong, but the spirit must also be nourished.
Balance is essential for true healing.
I understand, Master. I will find harmony. We are here to support you. The tension in your shoulder is strong. Breathe deeply. I feel it loosening, Master.
Will he recover fully, Wise One?
Patience, the healing has begun. Indeed. Rest now. Relax your shoulders. Breathe with me.
Yes, Master. The pain is easing.
Good. Let the tension go.
He is improving. The herbs are working.
Relax. This will ease the tension. Yes, I feel it working. He is strong. He can handle it. Patience. The healing is not rushed.
Thank you, Master.
The tension is releasing. Breathe deeply. Yes, I can feel it. Thank you. Good. Rest now. The healing is complete.